Mastering Idiomatic Expressions, In the Catbird Seat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're going to explore the meaning, origin, and usage of a very interesting phrase, in the catbird seat. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves diving into the quirks of languages, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery of this expression together. In the catbird seat is an idiomatic expression in American English. When someone says they're in the catbird seat, it means they're in an advantageous or enviable position. It implies that the person has a superior or favorable stance in a situation, often with the ability to influence outcomes or decisions. Imagine being in a position where everything seems to be going your way. That's what being in the catbird seat feels like. The origins of "in the catbird seat" are a bit murky, but it's widely believed to have been popularized in the 20th century. One of the earliest known uses of the phrase was by sports broadcaster Red Barber, who used it during his baseball game broadcasts to describe a player or team in a strategically advantageous position. However, the phrase reached a broader audience when it was used by James Thurber in his 1942 short story, The Catbird Seat. In the story, the phrase is used to symbolize a character's plan to maintain a position of advantage over his adversary. The popularity of Thurber's story helped cement the phrase in American English. Using "in the catbird seat" in conversation is a great way to sound more like a native speaker. It's best used in contexts where someone is discussing advantages, strategies, or competitive situations. For example, after winning the first 3 games, our team is definitely in the catbird seat for the championship. With all the information she has, she's in the catbird seat to negotiate a better deal. It's a phrase that adds color and depth to your language, making your conversation more engaging and vivid. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the phrase, "in the catbird seat." We hope this video has not only enlightened you but also inspired you to incorporate more idiomatic expressions into your English. Idioms like these can add flavor to your language and help you express ideas in a more nuanced and colorful way. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.